Google just dropped a secret AI image editor called Nano Banana. And trust me, this thing edits your images with insane accuracy using nothing more than a simple text prompt. And it's completely free. Here's how it works. You upload an image, type in what you want, like make her smile, and boom, it does it instantly. You can even take an influencer photo, add your product, and Nano Banana will create a professional-looking ad in seconds. Now let me show you how to use it. Right now, Nano Banana is available through LM Arena. Just go to the site, click Battle at the top, choose Image, and enter your prompt. Here's an example. I uploaded a dragon photo and gave the prompt, change the camera angle to selfie vlog on the dragon. And here's the result. Pretty wild, right? Let's push it further. I selected 2 people and a natural background, then told them, put the 2 people together in the natural view in a natural way. The output looks shockingly real. Another test. I gave the prompt, make her smile. The Nano Banana version looks natural, while the other model I tested broke character consistency. Even the water drops in the background looked messed up, but Nano Banana nailed it. I also tried object replacement. For example, I had an image of a warrior on a horse and prompted, replace the flag with the Indian flag and generate a cinematic image. The result? Absolutely stunning, but this one really blew me away. I uploaded a warrior image and asked, create an image of this warrior sitting on a throne looking at the camera confidently with a clear face. Look at this. Super clean, super powerful. So basically, Nano Banana is perfect for keeping character consistency, making product ads, or replacing any object in your images. Subscribe if you want to see more crazy AI tools like this.